Hey guys, what's up? My name's Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're taking a look at the new Garmin Vivoactive 4. Now this video is just going to be my unboxing and first impressions of the new Garmin Vivoactive 4, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that in the coming weeks when we unveil our full review of this product, you guys will be able to see that video as well. There is going to be a purchase link in the description below that will take you to Amazon.com for the best pricing possible. The Vivoactive 4 rings in at $350 at the time of this unboxing video, and it's certainly not the cheapest GPS watch on the market, but I gotta say that the Garmin Vivoactive series has been my favorite GPS watch from Garmin throughout the years. The Vivoactive lineup has a history of being rugged, reliable, and accurate, as well as being a value watch. Yes, it's $350, but this watch offers what watches that are twice as much tend to offer, and so you're gonna get 7-day battery life out of this. You're gonna get the same GPS chip that's gonna be in the much more expensive Garmin watches. You'll have up to 5 hours of battery life while streaming music and using the GPS at the same time. So this does have onboard storage for music streaming, so you can throw on all of your MP3s, but you'll also be able to download your playlists from Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, and possibly others here in the near future. This will have the body battery feature that keeps track of your energy levels using a variation, their own proprietary version of heart rate variability. This also will have the pulse ox sensor included. This will track respiration, your menstrual cycle, your stress, your sleep, your estimated heart rate throughout the day, hydration levels. I mean, it's packed full of lots of great stuff. The watch is still mostly a plastic design, but it's not that cheap, brittle plastic. It feels more of like a polycarbonate, high-end plastic. It's lightweight, it feels rugged, it looks good, something that could be worn in the office and while jogging or while working out in the gym. So I'll save all of the nitty-gritty details for the final review, but my unboxing and first impressions here are that the watch is very promising. They're offering a lot here. They've got some notable improvements, nothing super significant, but it does look like an improvement over the previous generation watches, and we're excited to dive in on this watch and share the final results with you guys. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it's a little bit of a teaser for the video that's to come here in the next couple of weeks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of that Vivoactive 4 full review when it comes out. And also we do have the Apple Watch Series 5 review coming out here in the next week or so. Thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you guys next time.